question was even to compare it with 10 years before. So if you would ask me, as someone who is just on the outset of seeing things, so many years before, we know that the only way that we the news forms that we used to get was newspapers, or the only channel was Doordarshan. So there, what used to happen was we used to get one news all over India, and that's how I look at it. As Sir rightly mentioned, currently you and I know that there are so many media channels, and as Sir rightly said, once again, survival of the fittest. Now, you and me as audience, we don't like to see the real news. All of us like sensation, and whenever we can bring in a sensational news, that is when even your TRP is more, and every news channel is behind that. And if you would ask me, survival of the fittest here means who can bring that much sensation and viewers to their channel. And that is one of the reasons why I believe is even your content or the news that is coming out is also getting diluted, or it may not be also true. That's what I would say.
Okay, media should act like a voice for mass or public. Now it is favoring to the government. What is your point?
See, favoring to the government, not favoring to the government is again left to us how we take it. I contest in the election. I promise so many things. And do I live with that is a big question as a politician. But the end audience are the ones who are seated there, and they are the ones who take the decision. But then today what you do is actually fool the audience, but you live your life. This was the old norm, I'm not saying no, but there were leaders who stood for the public. And today we do not even know whom did we vote. We do not even know what norms have been taken by the government, and we do not even know to whom it is going and reaching. We talk about digital India, we talk about digitalization. So many things are circulated on the WhatsApp and internet. I don't think nothing has reached my doorstep. Or I go to a rural part of Karnataka, I never see things being reached to their houses. But you take only few number, 2-3 people in the society, and tell this is reached to this particular person. But that is only the sample size of the population. So I think that is the way it is being leading India. Every evening we sit for agenda setting. That's the theory which we teach the students, right? I mean, it is so funny to see from this side, being a teacher, putting an agenda in the night to tell tomorrow morning, this is what should be given to my viewers. Morning you start with the Purohit coming and telling about astrology, and then the next comes as breakfast news, and then that runs with one sensational news running until afternoon. By afternoon you come and decide what should I be given in the evening, because morning news is all done and dusted. Evening you need some masala. Who went to the drug, who ran away with whom, who eloped with whom, all